These dogs were bred to be the perfect bird dog, meaning they need to exercise outside for at least an hour per day. They are extremely clever and easy to train thanks to their intelligence levels. They respond well to positive reinforcement. The German Shorthaired Pointer is low maintenance in terms of hygiene. They require brushing once a week and only occasional baths. Most require 2 to 3 cups of dry dog food per day, split into 2 meals. Want to learn more? Check out our full breed guide at blog.healthypawspetiinsurance.com or scan here.